I really believe that for people who are stuck at that 1 to 2 million mark and wondering how they get through that plateau, I think really the thing that's important is to open up your business. Stop protecting your secret sauce and start giving away what makes you incredible, because inertia is a real force, and showing everybody what you're working on is not going to mean that your competitors suddenly change their strategy and come and start doing what you're doing. But when you open up your business to scrutiny and to show your audience what makes you really unique, it gives you so many opportunities to find new partnerships, to find new product lines, to answer new questions, enter new markets. There's just heaps of upside in really revealing what makes you unique. And I think when you're getting up to that level of the 1 to 2 million, it's hard to quantify what has made you successful. But when you've been at that level for a while, you understand what really works, what doesn't, and so you can really start honing in on the things that make you remarkable. And being able to share that and willing to share it and go deep on that is what's going to set you apart.
Right now, we are in a day and age where people want to connect with the owners, know where their businesses and their products and things come from, and you have an opportunity to take them behind the scenes in an authentic way and show them how you create your products. So turn on your computer, turn on your phone, and let people in on your process. Let them watch you make your products as you get ready to package them, or answer some questions one-on-one about your sourcing, because these relationships are the things that up your know, trust, and like factor, and it creates lasting, sticky customers that don't want to buy from anywhere else.